Hey guys, it's Shannon. Welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. So today I wanted to share with you a little tip that I use whenever I'm stenciling on pallet wood. It's a very uneven surface and it's very easy to get paint bleeds whenever you're working on a surface that's rough, it's uneven, and it's not solid. So let me share this tip with you. So if you missed my tutorial last week, I shared with you how to piece together stencils. So this piece is actually 14 inches by 14 inches, which is bigger than the regular 12 by 12 that a silhouette cameo can cut. So if you want to go see that video, I'll have that linked up in the iCards for you. Today I'm showing you this tip on how to stencil on pallet wood. So I have this piece that I've already cut and stained. It's all prepped and ready to go, and I've applied my stencil, and as you can see, there are these little spots where the edges don't line up, and that is a good place right there for paint to get through and back behind, and will ruin a piece very easily. So what I actually do is I come in with an X-Acto knife and I run it through all of these indentions, or all of these joints where the boards meet up. And that way, and I've done that down here where you can see there's a lot of lettering going on. And what I do is I just slice the line right along there, and then I fold these stencil pieces over and around the board, and it will create a much more tight space for you to paint on. And it will cover up any of those spots where your paint might bleed under. So you still may have some spots where you get some paint bleed, but this will reduce that significantly. So I hope that this quick tip helped you. Make sure you take a second, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, as well as Quick Tip Tuesdays like this one right here. Hit that bell so that you get notified when my videos do go live, and I will see y'all next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.